A couple of weeks ago I suggested you saved some of these, because if you want to grow your own potatoes, this is what us in the know used to chit our potatoes. And chitting is a process to get your seed potatoes off early in readiness for planting them in the ground. So egg boxes make perfect containers to put these seed potatoes in. Now you buy a bag, they come like this, they're specific seed potatoes. It's not like the potatoes that you buy to eat. These have been particularly bred to be disease resistant and produce bumper crops. You can get these from most garden centres. The problem, these nets are a right pain in the butt, because as the potatoes start to grow, as you can see, look, there you go. There it is, starting to sprout already. Sometimes they grow through these nets, so you have to cut around them so you don't damage the tops. Now these are coming from what are known as eyes or sprouts. It's the top of the potato really, where the growth really starts, and that's where you position them in your egg box just like that, to give it a nice comfy cushion to start growing. There you are. If you're unsure, you can see where they start to sprout, so you know that's the top, and then you're literally positioning them in the egg boxes. You know, they were made for this job, let alone holding eggs. So you take all your seed potatoes out and put them in this box like this, and then store it in a bright area that's frost free. And what happens is the seed potatoes continue to grow and sprout, and then when the outside temperature, when there's no risk of frost, they're ready to plant out. But if you've got all your potatoes in your greenhouse, in an unheated porch or a windowsill in the garage or something similar to that, it generates the growth and it gives these seed potatoes a head start when you put them in the ground. The magic of gardening isn't just in the bite, it's the enjoyment of watching and caring and tending for plants in your own garden. Incredibly good for your physical and mental well-being.